It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod.
Today's bean source, West Africa and Ecuador.
Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
A lot less than that one.